Everyone, it's Stephanie here. So in this video, I'm going to do a journal page in my B journal. Now I've done videos on this journal before. They're on the video in the latest playlist. Done, I don't know, 3, 4 videos, where I'm decorating pages in here. So I'm just going to keep working in this journal. I absolutely love it. So it's gorgeous, and I have several videos on my channel where I worked in this journal. Okay, and if some of the stuff I have not done on video, but like this I didn't do, so that's really cute. Still kind of working on that. We got to put a little sentiment on this one, which is super cute. I did this one on camera, and I think I did this one. I believe I did this one. Let's see. I don't think I did that one, but I did share this one. Let's see, what else did I do? And I believe I did this one on camera. So like 3 or 4 videos, right? And then this is what I've been doing lately on it. Still kind of working on this too. So I'm just kind of periodically working in this journal. I love it. And I found these stickers. I was digging through some stuff and I found these beautiful stickers. I remember buying these specifically for my B journal. These are recollection stickers. All right. So normally when I make my journals, I don't, especially mixed media, I don't really like to, sorry y'all, my window's open. It's a nice day here. And we'll have to have the air conditioning on, but normally when I make like my art journals, I don't like to use store-bought like stickers and stuff like that, but I tend to kind of go that route because I like to dress mine up a little bit. So I decided to go ahead and use these stickers, and it's a great journal to use those in. So I got these again at Michael's. I think I used a coupon on them. I think they still have them there. All right, then I pulled out some collage pieces, that I'm going to glue in the journal, do a nice cute little layout just on this page. I'm not going to do 2 pages. I may have to do this one later. All right, and then I have some my masterboard pieces. I made a masterboard on the channel. You can check that out if you don't know what the masterboard is from my B journal. So I did that. And I got some die cut pieces, stickers, die cut pieces, things like that, collage pieces, and then some of my mark making papers. I just did a video on this as well. So I try to incorporate my own papers that I've made as well as store-bought items. Now for my jelly print journal, and I've done several videos in that, working in that journal, I tend to use mostly my handmade things, I occasionally put like a sentiment in there or a butterfly or something like that. But mostly, when collage pieces, I try to, use the stuff that I made. I did put some printables in there, things like that, collage papers. So I just try to incorporate my own designs when I'm making whatever it is I'm making. So I did this in a video. All right. If you have not seen me do this video, I will link it. Okay. How you did your mark making papers for your various backgrounds. All right, so I said I was going to take just a little piece of this. I don't even know if this is going to work, y'all. So that's why I'm going to take a little piece. Okay, just a tiny piece because I don't want a whole big old thing, I was just going to sit here and play with it myself. And I thought, well, I might as well film it, So we'll see how this comes out. I don't know. I don't know. It might be too much. I was actually going to decorate the background here, but I thought, well, I'll just put some of my papers up there, Like maybe I'll collage a piece of paper like that. I kind of want it. Let me see. I don't know how I want it because I was going to do something like this. Let's see. Let's look at the layout. So I have this paper here. Although I want some of this to show, so I'll probably have to do it like this, huh? Let's see. Just a little pieces because I felt like this kind of will go with that. It looks really good like that. That's actually pretty cool. I didn't think about putting it sideways. I had it the long way before. I'll take that off. So I may need another little piece here. All right, these pretty colors. I want the end piece because it has the frayed edges, So let's just get a little piece of that. And this is done on the calligraphy paper, the mark making on the calligraphy paper. The video will be linked, okay, in the description or at the very end of the video, okay? So, yeah, I did that. Let me see. I love that. Now, I like that. Okay. Look, I'm trying to do too much. All this layering. I have all these bright ideas. All right, and I have this little piece of cheesecloth here. Very cute. I love it. I'm going to kind of glue all this in. All right, I have that. Uh-oh, wait, it moved. I'm just auditioning right now. You know, I kind of want to just keep it. I still want some of this paper in the background to peek out a little bit. So, all right, so I peel that piece off. And we'll see more of the paper here. I just kind of wanted to, I don't want to do it like this. I mean, either or, right? Either or. It looks good. I think I like it like this. Let's just take that little piece off. Just a tiny bit. Gonna take it down a beat. And we're gonna keep all of our bits. So just have like that, like this. A piece of the cheesecloth. Okay. And then I was going to use some of my masterboard pieces. I mean, I like both of these. I mean, either one would work. Oh, wait, that's upside down. Hold on. Let's move that out of the way. So I like this piece. I mean, it's cool, right? Oh, I like this other piece. Okay. I like that. You know, I don't know. I think I'm liking this piece better because of the white. I could always take this white down with some ink. But I kind of like that. I like the contrast. Oh, you know what? I have to fix it so it can poke out there. Like it's kind of nestled, you know? I like that. I like that. That's cute. Okay. And then I'm going to use some of these stickers. All right. So that's it. That's going to be our easy peasy little bee journal layout. I like to keep working in this journal because we are moving into the fall as I'm filming this video. So, you know, I'd like to work in, I'm probably working this journal year round. I will probably always have videos, you know, me working in this journals, you know, until I finish it, I guess. Or, you know, I'll work in it and then share it or whatever. But, yeah, so I'm going to do that. All right, let me glue this down. And then I will come back and, you know, we'll start doing our embellishments, okay? All right, I'm going to glue this part down using my art glitter glue. There is no glitter in art glitter glue. That's just a PVA glue, a white glue. All right. Off camera here. Quick little glue down project to kind of get you inspired to look at the process. Oh, you know what? Here, I meant to do this. So let's put these up here first, my other pieces. I do want this kind of sticking out just a little bit. Let's see, just like that. Just a tiny bit, you know. Just a little of that, like kind of poking out right there. All right, let's smooth it out. Glue it down here. It'll be really cute when we're done. I like that. So this is just to kind of get you motivated to use all of your items that you have, your stickers, your collage paper, you know, your handmade little jelly prints or whatever you have, or, you know, your mark making papers, things like that. You can definitely mix these and make them look really, really cool. You know, you can use them on their own or you can make it look really cool. So now let me put this on here. I kind of did it backwards, but that's okay. Because I do want this to stick out just a little bit. All right, now let me see. Let's see how that's going to look. Oh, I like that. I like that. It's going to look great. I kind of have everything sticking out the way I wanted it to. But, I had another piece. Let me see if I'll use a smaller piece. Let's try that. Let's audition this. It's smaller. It's not as... But I like it. I want it kind of in the middle there. I'm going to probably have to use fabric tech on this piece. Because I'm just going to really glue it. Start gluing in the middle. And then just glue the ends because, you know... And then I'm going to put that there. Oh, that's pretty. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Yep. I had this color too, but I have all these little bits. Look at the bits. Save your bits. Save your bits. Okay. All right. Now let me put some fabric tech down here. This is, well, it's not really fabric tech, but it's, it looks very similar. It's called the Beacon Craft Glue 3-in-1. I do have another thing of fabric tech that looks exactly like this. So I'm just going to put this on here. All right. Make sure it's, you know, it's going to have to dry. All right. So let's put that there and put our little piece on like that. Kind of gather it in the middle like I wanted it to. So pretty. I like it. Let's move that out of the way. It's getting on my nerves. All right. Let's just glue it down like this. I like it. I like it a lot. Kind of gather it there so I can close the book. It won't be too fat. And then I'm going to put this like right on top. It's going to be so pretty. So pretty. So you know what? Since I have it out, let's just go ahead. And it's kind of thick, so I wanted to just, I'll just use this for that. It's a little stronger. I mean, the PVA glue is stronger to the art glitter glue. So, yes. And I also have some die cut pieces I want to put on here. So I'm just going to let that sit for just a second. While I put my little die cut pieces, I think these are actually stickers. They are. And I'm just going to peel that, but I'm still going to put glue on them because I want them to stay. Because I don't really trust the adhesive on, the backs of these things. They could go flying off. So I'm just going to do this. All right. All right. I want this to go like this way. All right. Kind of like that. All right. And I'm going to put the other one up top here. So this will be a quick little easy project. Get you this little process video here to get you motivated and start creating. Inspire you to make something fabulous. I think sometimes I, try to do too much with with things, and it takes me forever to do. So there's that. And I'm going to tuck this under here while it's still wet. Just like that. Okay. And we're going to just kind of push everything down. There we go. Oh, that's cute. Really cute. Although, I'm going to fix this. Okay. All right. So that's done. All right. Let's push it down. Make sure it stays. So I use my handmade papers and my masterboard that I made, and then some embellishments, die cuts, stickers, and some collage papers. Yeah, some really cute collage papers that I had. And this is a scrapbook page that I just kind of sprayed. I did a few sprays in this journal on some pages. So love that. Love. Okay. Very cute. So now let's glue the stickers in. And kind of auditioned some earlier. So I like this piece here. I love that. Let's see. I like this here. I liked this up here. Okay, that's cute. And then I liked our little, oh wait, no, actually, I like this up here. Okay, let's see if this will work. I don't know, I want to cover up my pages up there, but I like this too. This is cute. I mean, either or, it looks great, right? Either or. Let's see. This might look good here. I think that looks good there, but that might be a little too much going on. Too much big things. Let's see. I had this up here. Let's see here. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Okay. Yes, I like that. All right. I had a different layout earlier because I was playing with it, but I like that. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and start gluing these down. I'm just going to use the same glue here. Now you can use hot glue on this too. Maybe faster with hot glue, but let's see. I like that. All right. Let's put this here. I'm trying to pull that around here. Straighten it out a little bit. There we go. Okay. I like that. Okay. I like that a lot. That's so pretty. Okay. Love. So, I don't know if I'm going to add anything else. I think I like it the way that it is. It's kind of very pretty. It's really, really, really pretty. Beautiful layout. My goodness. I could probably still add a sentiment probably up here if I wanted to. Just a little sentiment right across there. And I can put some splashes on here. Do I want splashes? I don't know. I don't want to mess it up. I could probably do some white little, let me see, a few white little, like this is a marker, Jane Davenport Storytime paint pen. This is acrylic marker, white acrylic marker. Just going around, instead of splashes, I'm just going to do this. All right. I think that looks cool. All right. But some you want to finish yours off with splashes, in any color, gold or whatever. Let's see. We have clippings in our sticker book here at Tim Holtz. Just find a cute little sentiment that goes with our layout. Be cheerful and optimistic. I like that. Okay, so I chose this one, The Beauty of This Life, and I'm just going to place it here to see how I like it. Audition. Make sure it looks good. I like it. Okay, I like it. I didn't want anything complicated. Just something cute. And I got that from the clipping sticker book from Tim Holtz. Got that. One of my go-to sticker books. Okay. And I think I'm just going to use my little glue here. And okay, so here we go. The Beauty of This Life. All right, y'all. So I think that's it. That's a quick little bee journal layout page. I love working in this journal. All the journals that I handmade myself, I absolutely love working in. So, it's always fun to figure out new ways to do layouts and to find inspiration and all of that. So that's just a quick little page. It looks gorgeous. It's layered beautifully and it'll fit perfectly. See, the journal is getting fat. It's getting fat and fluffy. So I'm going to leave this open and let it dry overnight. And I don't know if I'm going to add anything else. I like it the way it is. I like it the way it looks. So I don't know if I'll add anything else. I don't know. But for right now, that's what it looks like. So it's gorgeous. All right. All right. So I just wanted to come and bring you a little journal inspiration. So if you can give this video a thumbs up, that would be great. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And give me a follow on my social media. I'm at Stephanie Garrett Creative on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And at Stephanie Garrett Designs over on Facebook and Instagram for my jewelry. And all the links that you need will be down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.